everybody, Isabel here. Thanks for watching. Today I'm coming to you from Hell's Kitchen restaurant located at the Caesars Palace in Las Vegas. This is not where they record the show, but the restaurant is based on the TV show. Make sure you make reservations way in advance since they get booked very fast. I tried the scallops, the crispy skinned salmon, and of course the very famous beef Wellington. Everything was delicious, but my favorite was the beef Wellington. I was super stuffed, but there's always room for dessert. They do sell some of the show's merchandise, but the jackets are $150. Hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye.